Ain't on there yet. For the people. The wind is shaking my phone.
About ready to go to the beach.
Oh, rough.
I don't know what this area is. Looks like a Totosti. It's windy as crazy. Cara's going for a walk. Come on, Cara. We're going to the beach. Oh. I'll let you know. Tell her to heel. Oh, she's got a potty. Here, let's turn this off. She got poopy eye. No, she didn't. She's learning. This is just her second time on the leash, so she's doing really good.
Get a little prance to her step.
Yeah. Her's excited to go to the beach. She loves water and she loves sand, so she'll love the beach.
Look at your mouth, Cara.
What you got? What is it? It's a little pine cone, I think. Oh, that's pretty.
Has weird stuff on it.
Yeah. Ah, I'm tangled.
Come on, Cara.
That wind is crazy. Almost there. All right, let her go walk. You want me to... So we're not going to be here too long because the waves are ridiculous. Oh my God, Lena. Okay, now Shane's got Cara. She fell. She's all right. This This is from remnants, I'm sure, of Hurricane Harvey that's hitting Texas. But there's like 30-mile-per-hour winds. And the waves are too big. Shane is Did you like to board? She doesn't like it. Yeah, don't let her get in the water. I mean, look at these. Shane, I don't like y'all in that. I don't think they should go swimming.
It's deep.
I've never seen it that.
Cars wore out. Her first trip to the beach lasted a maximum of 15 minutes
I don't even think it was that long.
because of the sand kept smacking her in the ears. She didn't care for the beach that much this time, but she'll get used to it. She's sleepy right now. Bye-bye, Car. See you when we get home.
So we just got home from the beach and decided to come to the pool. And it's much more quiet. It's not as windy. It's kind of chilly. It's 85, but it's a little windy here. Yeah. Kids are having fun with all the tomatoes. Hello. Lena's doing a handstand. Her legs are not straight at all.